बैक गाइज एंड इफ यू गाइज आर वंडरिंग मैं वापस बैग के साथ आ गई हूँ. यस, सेल पे बिल्कुल भी नहीं है बिकॉज ये मेरा कलेक्शन है. बट गाइज माइंडेड, ये मेरा अहमदाबाद कलेक्शन है. दिल्ली कलेक्शन में इन माई हाउस, इन माई पेरेंट्स का हाउस is अलग bags and in my in-laws I've kept different bags. So I actually have a lot of bags. बट वो होता है ना कि एक ही बैग होता है which you keep using. So मेरा भी यही हाल है. So आज का सेगमेंट है ड्रम रोल, my collection of bags in Ahmedabad. So a lot of bags that I have and I don't use and they are like they still have their price tag and all. This is from Accessorize. ये होता है इंडियन के लिए, इंडियन वेयर के लिए खरीदा था. Okay. Then this is from Forever. No, from H&M. This is like the strap, like the new thing that is going on. Lot of bags I have that I don't use. This is Tommy wala bag which my sister gifted me on my birthday. My sister gives me a lot of branded bags. This is from Vastra Miloni from Instagram page because I love their collection. I love their bags. वो जो दूसरा bag, you know, I had done the segment What's in my bag. That is also from Vastra by Miloni. This is my mother-in-law gave me this nice, lovely, pure leather bag which I really like. It's really good. I love slings. This is from Forever 21. All my slings mostly are from Forever or H&M. But yes, ये भी उधर से ही है. ये बहुत पुराने हैं और मेरे बैग्स ना पुराने वाले भी बहुत रहते हैं. फिर ये I think जनपद से लिया था. I'm thinking, yeah, very nice, right? This is also from Accessorize. It's like when you are Indian, you have this. It's like damn cool. I love this. Then this I think somebody gifted me. और इसके अंदर भी मैंने चीजें रखे हुए. Oh guys, this letter I will tell you about it. So this is Jennifer Winget का. ये पानी पड़ गया था इसके अंदर. If you guys can see, थोड़ा पास से. She had written me a letter. Because she so cute. I'm her fan. And इसमें मेरे ये भी पड़े हुए. ये मैंने बहुत संभाल के रखे हैं. कभी भी किसी की शादी हो ना, so to wear, make a bun and you make all these things. किसके पर्स में पैसे पड़े रहते हैं और मिल जाते हैं ना, मेरे पर्स में ये सब चीज़ें भी मिलेंगी. Okay. Then this again I think is from, I don't know, but somewhere from Janpat or something only, or somebody gifted me. I love such bags because I wear a lot of Indian, so I have a lot of it. Again, this is by Vastra by Miloni. See, the bags are like so cute and so handy. I just love it. Then this is my favorite. This is from Shein. When Shein was there, I had bought this. Again, can go with Western and can go with Indian. Okay, this was a Ted Baker bag which I bought with my own money. It's very expensive, yeah, from Dubai, and I don't use it. I don't like using it. This again is from Accessorize. I have used it, guys. मैंने ये use किया हुआ है. Okay, and this is my favorite. I love this. This is also I think from Accessorize only. Oh, Promote. Yeah, it's from there. I love this bag. Then I have this somebody gave me from Instagram page. I love it. It's so nice for your Indian wear. ये भी भाई वस्त्रा my Benoni है. They gifted me a lot of things when I got married, so I was so nice. See, this is it. Yeah, Vastra only. This is very nice. Never used it. I don't use only things. Okay, this also an Instagram page gave me, which is really, really nice and very stylish. And ये बैग तो मैंगो से है. मैं नहीं खरीदा वो ये. हाँ, मैंगो. I loved it. I bought this for my Sri Lanka trip. Also, this was gifted to me by Cheryl. Yeah. This is also very nice. ये देखिए ना, मैंने कभी वो जो Cheryl's product है, I think है. Hello sunshine. This is good for a beachy time. And last not the least is this one. Again, this is from Forever 21. Like you just wear it like that, and I love such bags. Now, जैसे कि आपने देखा कि मेरा collection खत्म हो गया है, but ये सिर्फ मेरा अहमदाबाद collection है. I have lots more and many more in Delhi, so I'm sure I'll soon do that segment also. A collection in Delhi bags, but I hope मतलब आपको पता ही होगा कि मुझे स्लिंग्स इतने पसंद है, एंड आई लव टू कलेक्ट एंड आई डोंट यूज देम. I hope you guys connect with me too कि आपके पास है बट आप यूज नहीं करते. You still use that one bag and you're like sorted with that one bag that you use every single day. And then your mother says कि बेटा इतने सारे bags हैं उनका क्या है? And then you're like छड्डो. But anyway, I hope you like this episode. You know what you have to do. Press the like button, shower all the hearts that you can, and do comment if you relate to me and let me know how you like this segment of mine. So this is it. Signing off. Neeti Taylor Baba. Lots of love. Bye. Happy shopping online.